Very good. Sherbin can follow. Okay. Now, the next question. Somebody want to read or not? Li Ying, you read. Easy. Make my job easy. Question number 4. Read.
Given a discrete random variable x b bracket n comma 0.65, find the value of n if p x equal to n equal to 0.0319. Based on the answer in A, find p x larger than 2.
Okay. You must be berani kerana benar. You know what is berani kerana benar? You see this one, p of x equal to n equals to this number. You copy this whole thing, then put it on your answer sheet. Then the x equal to n, you follow this formula, then you replace the n here with n. But the p here you put 0.65. Then the q here you put what? How much is the q?
0.35.
0.35, correct. 0.35. So like what I've said, berani kerana benar. So you have to copy down this thing here, right? Once you copy down this thing here, probability of x equals to n equals to 0.0319, right? This side, no need to do anything. This side, p of x equal to n, you have to replace with the formula. Do you know how to replace this with this formula here? You just copy the formula, put on the next line, put on the next line. Then n there, you just let it be n. Copy down, let it be n. But all the p to the power of p and q, you have to change. P and q you have to change. So what you get is like this. n, because you want x equal to n, so you'll be ncn. Okay, ncn. Then p to the power of n. Where p to the power n? P, here, the formula is here. P to the power r. P to the power of r. R is n, right? Then the last one, q to the power of n minus r. So this is q n minus n. N minus n is 0. So far can follow or not? N choose n, then n and 0 there.
And
Anyone
teacher,
cannot follow? I explain again. Can follow, then you put a thumb there. Put a thumb there. Then I know, oh, can, you know how to use the formula. Okay, right, can, can, can follow. Now, can you still remember when we do permutation, combination? When we do combination, I tell you the special value. These are very special value. NCN. What is this NCN? 10 choose 10. What is it? 4 choose 4. What is it? So NCN.
1,
1. NCN
1.
is 1. NC0 is also 1. Sometimes they may test you. They put there NC0. So NC0 is also 1. Okay? NCN is also 1. Then 0.65 to the power n. Don't do anything. 0.35 to the power 0, also 1. So now you are left with what? You are left with 0.65 equal to this. Now, in order to solve this equation, you have to use common log. You have to use logarithm. So I take log on both sides. Okay, take log. Log here, log there. Log here, log there. Okay, now The law of logarithm say the n you can put in front. So the n you put in front. Okay. Then become n multiplied with log 0.65, right? Equal to log 0.0319. Okay. Then if you want to find n, you have to divide these two numbers. You have to divide these two numbers. So what's the answer when you divide? Wow, very nice. N equals to 8. N equals to 8. So they say using this value n equals to 8, can you solve the B? Can you solve B? Probability of x greater or equal to 2. Okay. Now before we solve that, I want to ask you, x greater than 2 means what? X equals to what? X greater than 2
Uh,
means x is equal to
3, 4,
3,
5,
4, 5, some more,
6, 7, 8,
6, 7, some more.
9,
The last one
8,
is n
8.
equals to 8. So that means I have to find probability of x equal to 3, probability of x equal to 2, sorry, x equal to 4, x equal to 5, x equal to 6, x equal to 7, x equal to 8. I have to find 6 probabilities. But there is one shortcut. There is one shortcut. Okay. Okay. Instead of finding probability of x equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, add them up, I can always use the shortcut. Shortcut is very easy. You just take 1 minus the probability of x0, x1, and x2. So when you take away the 0, 1, and 2, you will get the balance. The balance is x equals to 3, 4, 5 until 8. So next time, do you know how to use this shortcut or not? You know how to use this shortcut? Because if you want to find from 3 to 8, you have to find 6 times. You have to use the formula 6 times. So the shortcut is you use the complement. The complement is x0, x1, and x2. So you minus x0, minus x1, minus x2, you will get the balance. Any questions so far?
No, teacher.
Yes, Sherwin, can follow or not? So far, okay, right. So we
Okay,
just
sir.
minus, yeah, we minus the complement, then we'll get the actual one. This is the shortcut. Then the complement, these three numbers, they are quite easy to find using your calculator and using this formula over here. This formula over here, right? So use this formula, apply them to these three cases. Apply the formula to x equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to 2. Okay, so if you don't know how to calculate this, afterwards I'm going to make one video how to use the calculator to calculate this. Then I send to the Telegram group. So the values, they are like this. And finally, this is 0.9747. Any questions so far? If